Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Kid Lawn Mowers is probably one of the most exciting toys for your kids, offering them a chance to mimic grown-up tasks while having a blast outdoors. But with so many options available, finding the perfect one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated Kid Lawn Mowers and blowers, helping you choose the ideal model to spark your child's imagination and provide hours of fun. Number 5. Lydaz Bubble Lawn Mower for Toddlers. This push mower makes realistic sounds and blows bubbles. It encourages pretend garden play, bringing tons of bubbles and fun for your little one. The handle is very flexible and can be easily disassembled. This makes it convenient to store when not in use. It's designed with your convenience in mind. The bright color mower body is attractive for your toddler. It's designed to capture their attention and make playtime even more enjoyable. This automatic bubble blower is perfect for outdoor play. It inspires kids to enjoy activities in lawns, gardens, and yards. It's ideal for birthday gifts and party favors. This bubble machine is a great gift for toddlers aged 1 to 3 years old. The package includes the bubble mower, bubble solutions, and bubble sticks. It requires AA batteries, and also comes with bonus cartoon stickers for kids to personalize it. What we like. This bubble mower features realistic sounds and a bubble maker, making yard work fun. Its handle is easily disassembled for convenient storage. If you are looking for a fun and engaging toy that encourages outdoor play, this is a great choice. What people say. The lawnmower is very cute and the perfect size for my 2-year-old. The bubble feature is great, and my son loves it. The blower works great and the kids love it. Number 4. CP Toys 6-Piece Power Gardening Set. This 6-piece gardening set is perfect for kids. It encourages them to spend more time outside, learning about nature and gardening in a fun way. The set includes a lawn mower, chainsaw, weed trimmer, leaf blower, goggles, and gloves. These tools spark imagination and creativity, and they require 10 AA batteries, which are not included. The toy leaf blower blows air, the weed whacker blade rotates, and the saw moves. These interactive features bring realism to playtime with accompanying sounds. This set fosters fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving. It's a great way to introduce STEM learning and social skills to kids, making it an excellent educational tool. Constructed with safe plastic materials and smooth edges, this set meets safety requirements. It's a fantastic choice for early learners. What we like. This set includes multiple tools with interactive sound effects, enhancing the realism of playtime. It fosters fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. If your child loves to mimic grown-up tasks and enjoys outdoor activities, this set will provide hours of entertainment. What people say. The lawnmower is very cute and the bubble feature is a big hit. The kids love the bubble feature. The blower is great and blows out a good amount of air. Number 3. John Deere Leaf Blower Toy for Kids. This leaf blower is designed to look and feel like the real thing, giving kids a realistic experience. It produces a soft, gentle air stream, perfect for safe pretend play. With the pull of a trigger, this toy comes to life with realistic startup sounds. It also features glowing and spinning lights, adding to the fun. Kids aged 5 and up can enjoy hours of imaginative play, pretending to clean up the yard. This toy is ideal for role-playing and developing their creativity. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this toy is built for both indoor and outdoor play. It's designed with safety in mind, ensuring a worry-free playtime experience. This leaf blower makes a great gift for any child. With its cool features and realistic design, it's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. They will love it. What we like. This leaf blower actually blows air, providing a realistic experience for little landscapers. It also features lights and sounds to enhance the fun. If you like a toy that encourages imaginative play and outdoor fun, this is a great gift. What people say. The toy looks just like a real leaf blower, which makes my kids feel like they're really part of the action. It actually blows air. The lights and realistic sounds add another level of excitement. Number 2. FUBBLES No Spill Bubble Lawn Mower. Introducing the FUBBLES No Spill Bubble Mower. This innovative design means more fun and less mess for your little ones. It's a 2-in-1 toy, acting as both a bubble machine and a lawn mower for imaginative play. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of continuous bubbles. This toy is perfect for toddlers and young children, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or early walkers. Kids will love pretending to mow the lawn just like mom or dad. The set includes the FUBBLES No Spill Mower and our premium non-toxic bubble solution. Assembly is easy, just snap the handle and attach the special no-spill bottle. Remember to rinse the bubble blowing section with water after use. The no-spill design makes this the perfect first bubble machine for preschoolers. It's a great addition to any backyard toy collection and makes a wonderful gift for Easter, birthdays, or Christmas. Suitable for ages 3 and up. It requires 3 AA batteries, not included. This product is safety tested to meet and exceed all standards. Get ready for hours of bubble fun. What we like. The no-spill design ensures less mess and more bubble fun. It offers continuous bubble play for up to 20 minutes. If you have toddlers or young children and want a hassle-free bubble experience, this mower is perfect. What people say. The setup was a breeze. My 3-year-old loved seeing all of the bubbles that come out. The thing gives off a ton of bubbles, and that leads to a lot of fun for the whole family, not only the toddler. Number 1. ArtCreativity Bubble Lawn Mower for Toddlers. Get ready for bubbly fun with this awesome toy. It's a lawn mower that doubles as a bubble blower. Just add batteries and watch it produce a stream of beautiful bubbles. This 18-inch lawnmower isn't just for bubbles, it also has realistic sound effects. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor play, keeping kids happily engaged. The movement is a fun way for them to exercise. We know how kids play, so this bubble lawn mower is made of durable plastic. It's easy to assemble, and the handle detaches for easy storage. It's built to last through all the fun. Looking for a fun gift? This bubble-blowing push mower is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a great treat for toddlers and young children, guaranteed to bring smiles. We've got you covered. If you're not satisfied, we'll send a replacement. Click Add to Cart now and bring joy with complete peace of mind. What we like. This bubble mower produces a barrage of bubbles and realistic sound effects, keeping kids happily busy. It is made of durable plastic to withstand enthusiastic play. If you like a toy that combines fun with exercise and imaginative play, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to snap together and perfect height for most toddlers to easily push. It's easy to add bubble solution and doesn't require a lot of effort to push. Used for around 2 years. It has been sitting outside for a year and put a new battery in it and worked like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.